counterpart to discuss cooperation in the framework of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Special Representative for Afghanistan, Ambassador Asif Durrani, is representing Pakistan at the second Global Refugee Forum being held in Geneva from 13th to 15th of December. The GRF brings together international community to discuss global refugee situations and examine joint pathways for burden sharing and responsibility sharing for refugees. As a major refugee hosting countries for over 4 decades, Pakistan is among the pioneer co-conveners of GRF. In today's session, Ambassador Durrani will underline that international burden sharing and responsibility needs to be more proportionate, equitable, and predictable. He will also call for continued international solidarity in supporting Afghan refugees, one of the oldest protracted refugee situations. And lastly, Pakistan-UK counter-terrorism dialogue is being held today in Islamabad. Director General Counter-Terrorism, Abdul Hamid Khan, will lead the Pakistan side, while the UK delegation will be headed by Head of Counter-Terrorism and Extremism Network for Asia, Chris Felton.